So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do this look today, which is more of a glittery based look with very simple eyeshadow techniques. And if you guys like this look, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And we're gonna do this using the Carnival palette, but you can do this look using literally any palette. So once you complete your base, and I have a lot of looks about how to do your eyeshadow base, so you can check those out. So once that's done, we're going to curl our lashes using the Vega eyelash curler, and I'm going to give it about 7 to 8 pumps of it. And once that's done, we're going to start with our eyeshadow. So I'm just using a very small precision brush, and I'm going to take that really like purpley tone, and we're going to go onto the outer corner directly. So first up, I'm just pressing the color onto the lid, and then I start making like really small circling motions, and then I start to buff the color, especially on the edges. So next up, we're going to use this crease blender shade, and we're going to use this lilac-y tone to blend the shades out. So we're going to start from the outer corner, and I'm going to keep the colors a little low today and not take it very high. So we're going to just keep blending it and then make like windshield wiper motions above our crease and along our crease. So keep going on with packing the colors and then buffing it out, and make sure that you maintain the shape of the eyeshadow, and then you just continue to buff it out to get a good blend. Don't forget to blend out the outer corner, and don't take it way too low because that's going to change the shape of your eyeshadow. So next up, we're going to take up our pencil brush, and we're going to dip into that black shade, and we're going to go in our outer corner. So make sure that you layer this in a very small concentric area, just to ensure that the purple does not really get hidden with all the dark shades. So now we're going to buff that black shade out, and as you do this, make sure that you don't take the black too high because then it's all going to start looking muddy. So let the colors remain in the same place and then just buff between the edges. So I'm just going to use a flat shade of brush, and we're going to go into that like really sparkly duochrome shade, and I'm going to layer it in the entire 1/3 and slightly on the 2/3 of the eye, and I'm going to take this all the way till the crease. So when I go towards the crease, just start to reduce the intensity, so it's just like a couple of specks here and there, so it looks a lot more blended without you even blending it. So once that's done, we're gonna go back to the black shade and make this small wedge type of an eyeshadow towards the end, and this kind of gives you like a kind of like a smoky eye effect, like a smoky liner effect. So once that's done, we're gonna do the same on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna go with a little bit of black, and then I'm gonna take it slightly inwards, and then we're gonna buff it out with the purple shade. So here comes the star of the look, which is the glitter gel from Colourpop, and this one is in the style roller disco. You can literally use any glitter for this step. So here comes the star of the show, which is the Colourpop glitter in the style roller disco. You can literally use any glitter for this step, and we're just going to use this Vega eyeshadow brush. It's basically a flat brush. So I'm just going to pick the glitter, and then I'm going to tap it on my lid. So when you do this, make sure that you don't blend and you don't drag and you don't push and you don't lift the product out. So we're almost done with the look, and I'm going to use this K-Beauty eyeliner, and I'm just going to make like a very basic line along my lash line. This is just basically to hide my lashes lash band. So once that's done, we're going to move on to using our CG Beauty Snow Cake liner. This is basically a white eyeliner, and I totally love this one. So I'm using a really tiny brush, and we're going to go like right above the black liner, and we're going to make a white line. So once that's done, we're going to go for about 2 to 3 coats of mascara in our lower and our upper lashes, and then we're going to throw on my favorite pair of lashes from Henna Beauty in the style Amira. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and do consider subscribing if you liked it and you learned something from it. Let me know which other looks and tutorials you would like to see from my side, and you can drop them down in the comment section below. So stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, bye.